Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Baby Shop. In this video, we try to help you find out the best baby-proofing supplies on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Vkania Child Proof Kit. The Vkania Child Proof Kit is a kit that includes strap locks and outlet covers. The outlet covers are plastic two-prong covers, and the straps are adhesive attachment straps, suitable for cabinets, drawers, toilets, ovens, and more. These straps are versatile and can keep trash cans and diaper pails closed to tiny explorers. Installation is quick and straightforward with adhesive backing, and they can be adjusted to fit various size needs. We found these to be useful in almost every room during testing. These are not the most attractive locks as they are big and white and draw the eye. They are also somewhat challenging to unlock if you have trouble with finger dexterity. Like all adhesives, there is a chance this lock could fail with enough persistence from persistent toddlers. Overall, we love how many uses these locks have and think it is a budget-friendly choice for those with needs outside of only cabinets and drawers. 4. Skyla Homes Multi-Purpose Child Lock. The Skyla Homes Multi-Purpose Child Lock is a sliding lock that works on a double handle or knob design doors and cabinets. This gadget is a temporary option and leaves no holes or adhesive residue behind. The fastener comes in two parts, and they slide together to create the lock, and one end has a pinch release. It is plastic, lightweight, and suitable for travel or temporary use. This lock is challenging to use and requires two hands to operate. Some testers felt it was frustrating to use and would prefer it as a temporary solution instead of something they have to deal with daily. This baby-proofing kit has limited uses, as it only works for cabinets with knobs or handles. Overall, we don't think this is the best solution for most applications, but we believe it is a great travel tool to help create a safer area for your baby when you aren't at home and can't set up a more permanent solution. 3. Vmaisi Magnetic Locks. The Vmaisi Magnetic Locks is a pack of magnetic locks that install adhesive or hard-mounted. This kit includes 20 locks and 2 magnet keys that work on drawers, cabinets, and some closet doors. Once installed, these locks are entirely invisible, so there is no unsightly lock on display. The keys work well, and installation comes with a guide to help ensure it aligns properly. We like that you can turn off the magnet if you don't need the lock. They worked well in most locations during testing, and the set comes with good step-by-step directions and a template for easier installation. The biggest issue with this baby-proofing kit is the potential to lose the key required to open the lock. If you misplace the keys, you cannot open the lock without ordering and waiting for a replacement key. Also, using the adhesive means it could fail if a determined toddler pulls hard enough. Overall, we love how easy these locks are to use and that they are hidden from view and don't allow pinching. We recommend placing keys where they won't get lost and buying backups ahead of time just in case they do. 2. CalMyotis Corner Protector. The CalMyotis Corner Protector is a soft, transparent PVC corner protector. The pack contains no phthalates, BPA, chemicals, or added toxic fire retardants. Each corner includes a clear, pre-installed adhesive that works well and installs easily. You may need a hairdryer to heat the glue. We like the look of these unobtrusive corner guards and think they are an excellent choice for those who need them but aren't interested in the unsightly foam options. These guards are thin and are not soft or squishy in the same way foam protectors traditionally are. So while you can avoid point-related injuries, it does not offer the same impact protection as a foam buffer, and toddlers could get a bump or a bruise. However, if aesthetics are your priority, these corner protectors have the potential to protect little ones from sharp corner-related injuries. 1. Roving Cove Baby Proofing Edge Corner Protector. The Roving Cove Baby Proofing Edge Corner Protector is a simple edge and corner protection set. It includes 18 feet of foam edge guard and 8 foam corner protectors. The foam has an adhesive backing that is easy to install and works well. It is available in 3 colors, and the foam is free of BPA, phthalates, heavy metals, latex, and SCCPs. We like that this product is doing one thing and doing it well. Like all stick-on products, the adhesive in this baby-proofing kit can fail if not used correctly or a little one pulled aggressively over time. However, this is true of any edge protection guards, as they all use an adhesive installation method. Overall, we like this edge guard, and the corner protectors are easy to install and work well with no muss/no fuss.